In today's lesson, we will be looking at how to stop overthinking and make better decisions, Stoic perspective. Have you ever felt trapped in your thoughts, overthinking every choice, replaying past mistakes, and fearing the unknown? The Stoics knew that overthinking was the enemy of action. Today, we'll uncover how Stoic wisdom can help you break free and make decisions with clarity and confidence. Now, let's look at the problem with overthinking. Overthinking is like a mental prison. It creates doubt, fear, and hesitation. But why do we overthink? The Stoics believed it's because we focus on things we cannot control instead of what we can. Let's consider Marcus Aurelius's wisdom on clarity. Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic emperor, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." In other words, stop wasting mental energy on things beyond your control. In understanding the dichotomy of control, Epictetus taught that the key to peace is the dichotomy of control. There are things we can control and things we cannot. If you're overthinking, ask yourself, is this within my control? If not, let it go. Delving deep, let's take a look at the 5-second rule for taking action. To stop overthinking, take action quickly. The 5-second rule by Mel Robbins aligns perfectly with Stoic wisdom. If you feel hesitant, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and act immediately. Memento Mori, why overthinking is a waste of life. The Stoics constantly reminded themselves of Memento Mori. Remember that you will die. Ask yourself, if today were my last day, would this decision matter? Most of the time, the answer is a no. The power of journaling. Journaling helps clear your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius did it daily. Write down your worries, identify what you can control, and take action. The final lesson here is to choose action over fear. Understand that overthinking steals your time. Instead of getting stuck in endless thoughts, focus on what you can control, take action, and trust yourself. That is the Stoic way. Now, if you want to master your mindset and apply Stoic principles in real life, make sure to like and hit that subscribe button. Comment below. What decision are you overthinking and the action steps right now?